in America, and you got it. The hottest over-the-road cooking show on YouTube.
Semi-living, cooking on down the line. Semi-living, saving money and cooking time. Linda Lou's got the looks, while Paul he eats the cuss. Right to the belly where true romance starts. Hey, we'll squeeze the buffalo till he farts. Semi-living,
It's the tastiest show on the internet.
semi-living,
Linda Lou and Paul.
semi-living, semi-living.
Where's the bacon?
Hi, y'all. And truck driver Linda. Truck driver Paul.
I'm sitting up front in my usual spot.
He never knows if he's supposed to say something or wait for my cue, poor guy. We have had such overwhelmingly positive response to the song that Mustang Johnny wrote for us. And it's just wonderful. We're very happy that everybody loves it. We love it. We think it's a great song. Thank you, everybody, for that. And we're still in Dallas. I think all the freight is stuck in the snow somewhere. Being in the Southwest makes you kind of want that Southwest flavor. We thought we could do something Southwest with some bison, buffalo. So this is stew meat, and I've cut it up into smaller chunks. It comes pretty big, and I've actually cut it up into smaller chunks. Okay, today we're gonna make Southwest bison stew.
My God, that sounds so good.
Yes, and we're gonna do it in the 12-volt slow cooker. I have mine plugged in already, and I'm letting it get hot. 12-volt takes a lot longer to cook, so I'm a big fan of plugging in as soon as you know you're gonna use it and let it start getting hot. First we're gonna hit a little bit about slow cookers. They cook really slow. And they cook from the bottom up. So you want the stuff that takes the longest to cook to go in the bottom. And that would be root vegetables. So our root vegetables is potatoes. And I'm using this bag of petite medley. It's like little new potatoes. And they're about this size. And so I've got about 6 of these. Okay. And what I'm actually going to do, I've never used a slow cooker liner before, but this is so big. The box says for 3 to 8 quart slow cookers. This is 1.5. But it's the smallest I could find. My first time using a slow cooker bag. We're gonna put that bad boy in there though. Alright, let's get you guys down. Alright, so now that we've gone over a little bit of how a slow cooker works, let's go over how we're gonna put things in here. Okay, so we're gonna start with our potatoes. You always want to start with your root vegetables, carrots, potatoes, whatever. If it grows underground, it goes in first. Okay, I've got a 1/2 cup of diced onion. I think this is white, but yellow would be really good. I have white on the truck, so white onions going in. This is 1/4 of a green bell pepper. It's a 1/2 of a jalapeno that's been seeded and diced. This is a Southwest seasoning blend, and I will put the recipe for this in the descriptions, or you can buy it. And we're gonna put 1 tablespoon in here. Okay, and then liquid smoke, 1 teaspoon. Then we're gonna add our bison, and this is 1 pound of bison stew meat. We're gonna add that. I'm gonna add just a little salt and pepper on top of the bison. I'd say about 1/4 of a teaspoon and 1/8 of a teaspoon. I've got a can of Southwest style corn, and it's like a 15-ounce can, and I'm gonna add the can with the juice. And then I've got a 10-ounce can of tomatoes with green chilies. And I'm going to add that with the juice on top. And then I'm going to cover it. And I guess this will hold the plastic down. There. That's it. But one final ingredient that you're going to need, cornmeal. We're going to thicken it with cornmeal instead of flour. So now we're going to let it cook like 4, maybe 5 hours, and then we're going to add our thickener to it. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a super quick check, and I'm going to add a thickener to it. Oh. You guys, oh yeah, you can see that. Oh yeah, that's looking really good. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out a little bit of juice, about like that. And then I'm just going to close this. I want all the heat to stay in. Okay. And I've got some yellow cornmeal. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons to this juice. Now I might need a little bit more juice. We'll see. Oh no, it's okay. You just want enough juice that it's really so you can kind of just start mixing it up a little bit and make it into like a paste. Alright, and then we're going to add this to the slow cooker. I wish y'all could smell this. Okay. Now, the thickener's in it. 1 more hour. That should help to thicken it up. And then we'll see how it is. So we'll be back in an hour. Paul's laughing because I'm like, what time is it? What time is it? What I want to do is I want to get a potato off the bottom. Oh, there it is. I know Paul wishes he was the one back here doing the taste test. He's up there like, is it done yet?
Is it done yet?
When you smell this all day, it really gets your stomach rumbling, that's for sure.
Yes, it does. It smells absolutely wonderful.
Oh. It tastes as good as it smells. Oh my gosh, that's so good. We're going to get this served up. Okay, so I'm just going to set this aside out of our way right here. So to serve it up, I've got some guacamole. And I'm going to add a little bit of guacamole right there on the side. Some cheese. Maybe a little onion. A little extra tomato. And a little bit of sour cream. Okay, we're gonna get Paul back here.
Yay, because I am hungry.
And he's gonna tell us how much he loves it.
My God, I'm hungry. Ooh, man, that smells so good. Mm. That is awesome.
Mm. Oh, God. Bison. Mm. 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 That bison has soaked up just enough of those flavors.
Man, that's good.
Oh my gosh. And it's just layer upon layer of Southwest flavor.
It's just a little bit on the hot spot side, but that's okay.
No, it's not.
She says no, but if you watch long enough, you probably see smoke coming out of my ears, but don't worry about it. We got a fire extinguisher underneath the seat.
It's not that hot. It is phenomenal.
Cisco and Ebert.
2 thumbs up. That's good. All right, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Thanks for watching.
Happy eating.
Happy eating. All right, y'all. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.